When the solar system settled into its current layout about 4.5 billion years ago, Earth formed when gravity pulled swirling gas and dust in to become the third planet from the Sun. And humans existed on Earth since thousands of years ago. And only from 6,000 years past, civilizations start coming out. So since these years till now, human developed from weak, inactive creature into a strong, keen one. Whenever you hop back to see the old history of people and the peculiar beliefs of the ancient cultures, you encounter strange thoughts of them concerning Earth and the natural phenomenon. Note that each of these cultures had a unique faith about the end of life, regardless the several demonstrations of other unnatural events. Today's scientists also never get mercy on people. Every day they come up with a new expectation of Earth in the coming centuries. The scientists see that due to the global warming, the globe is projected to be 15 degrees Celsius warmer on average than it's today by the year 2100, where parts of South America, India, and Africa could reach 43 degrees Celsius, killing thousands of people each year. Middle East would likely become uninhabitable at all. This in addition to the glaciers who are going to vanish completely. Also, ocean water will get more acidic and warmer, leading to the extent of reefs and other aquatic living things. And all of this in addition to the rise in the level of water. All of this is just the expectation of the global warming amplification over the next 500 years. What does a normal human expect about the state of Earth in 500 years? The answer of this question largely depends on the relationship between the human and our natural environment, its past, its present, and of course its future. For instance, we must take into consideration the natural disasters that took place in the past years, like the earthquake that hit Chile in 2010 and that in Sumatra in 2024, and never forget the atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which left a grand effect of radiation on atmospheric air. So the picture I'm going to draw is due to my beliefs of these chains of events in relation to today's events. I think a human will reach a scary level of technology with a worser environment each year. Everywhere and every time a small intelligent devices will be surrounding persons, and I assume that inventions will help getting rid of any use of benzene from cars, which are going to be 100% electric with insane features. And finally, the flying cars will be existed, that's if it will not be a heritage that time. Robots will be an important part of life, and maybe they will take the place of the hand workers too, or share in a game, be their instructor, or be a robot puppy. Moreover, underwater cities that today's architects start planning may be a normal thing in that time, having a floating megacities upon it. Now what about space? The hair of etc. of SpaceX and NASA maybe has created a full life in Mars, where people can buy tickets to visit any planet they pick from the solar system. Another thing I presume is no more hospitals there will be. All people will be connected to a robot via nanocell inserted in each one. We're just a breast enough to heal them by the robotic doctors. Till now, everything seems so beautiful and flourished. But population will be increased significantly, which will make the world seem an upside-down movie. How? There will be a part living in nothing compared to the other side whom will be living in the vast advanced technology. Last but not least, I can't draw a clear thought, but I'm sure cloning will be at a dangerous advanced level. Even if today's news concerning cloning are not much obvious, but by the year 2020, human cloning was technically became possible. So who knows what will cloning bring other than Dolly. This is what we, 5 centuries old human, can anticipate of the upcoming 500 years. They are all predictions. No one knows if the life would still exist till that time. This video was done by Hudati, and thanks for watching.